Hello, welcome to Mad Science. This is our first episode, and today I couldn't wait. Just want to make some gunpowder. Welcome to Mad Science. Now, today we're going to be using sulfur, potassium nitrate, and basic charcoal to make gunpowder. Now, gunpowder has existed for millions of years by the Chinese to make their rockets, by various armies to make bullets. And today, we're going to make the basic compound of gunpowder. So, you're going to need to make your components into powder, and we're going to mix them at a ratio of 75% potassium nitrate, 10% sulfur, and 15% charcoal. Now, let's get on to it. Mad science! Now, you'll need your protective gear. You have my trusty gloves. Yeah, fitting them. Another trusty glove. Yeah. Now, remember, you have to protect yourself. These chemicals are corrosive and dangerous. And most important, you don't want to mix them all together in one go because they could ignite and it's very explosive. So we're going to start with turning the charcoal, basic charcoal. You can find in your Jiko, any store, any market. Basically, you're going to grind it into powder. So we're going to put a little bit in there. Basic charcoal, nothing more. Yeah? Old school, mortar and pestle. Old school. Mortar and pestle. Yeah? Crush this. We're probably going to forward this part in the video. Crushing it. Alright. Yeah, so that's a nice fine paste right there. Yeah. Right. So we're going to measure out the basic ingredients separately, and you're going to use a spatula. So we're basically going to use the ratios: 75% potassium, 10% sodium, 15% charcoal. Okay, so let's start with the potassium nitrate. Now basically this is an oxidizing agent, which means carries lots of oxygen that is required for the combustion. And in this kind of reaction, we want something that burns really fast. Get the things going. So, pass this out. Oof. So, 75%, that means this should be more. So I'm aiming for more than, we're going to make scoops and ratio them out into 75%. So, let's see. I'm going to start mix it up a little bit. It's nice powder form. So 75%. Like that. One. We'll put five scoops of potassium nitrate, 3 scoops of charcoal, 2 scoops of sulfur. Okay? So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nice. Now we're going to put this aside. Now these chemicals alone, they will not burn that well. But when mixed together, the results can be explosive. Now, I'm going to measure out some sulfur. Okay. So this one, 5, ratio of 5 potassium, sulfur 3, and then charcoal. Sulfur 2, and then charcoal 3. Okay, so sulfur is element number 16 on the periodic table. Charcoal is element number 6 on the periodic table. If anyone doesn't know, you remember the periodic table? Yeah. Used to hate that stuff. My teacher used to make us memorize all that stuff. So 2 scoops sulfur, and finally, let's make sure this guy is really powder form. Want it really in there. Now, these experiments are just, a nice way to have fun. Yeah, basically for nerds who like science. I apparently seem to like mad science. Now that's a nice powdery right there. Yeah. So after grinding, I've been working out. Yeah, it's a nice good workout. Oof. Okay, worked up a sweat.